Now, as climate change is expected to bring more extreme weather events and with an ever-growing population to feed, the pressure is on for our farmers to grow more food with fewer resources, especially water. Well, now scientists in Kent believe they've made a major breakthrough in technology that could revolutionise farming techniques. It's the culmination of 10 years' research into strawberry production, where trials have shown that water use can be cut by as much as 30% and at the same time produce 10% more fruit. The next stage is to apply the technology to other crops. Our environment correspondent Yvette Austin has tonight's story update.
When it comes to commercial strawberry production, gone are the days of rifling through straw to find the berries. This is the new way, high up and high tech, and it's all about using less water.
And the key to this growing system is trying to understand how often and when the plant needs irrigating. And the way we do that then is to use these probes. So these probes are inserted into the coir and they basically measure the drying down of the coir. And we can sense that drying then, and the data is sent to the data logger, and then the data logger averages the values, and then those values are used to trigger the irrigation event.
So the plant is only watered when it's thirsty. The scientists say the use of fertilisers, pesticides and energy is cut down, as well as water. With traditional farming methods, it takes this much water to produce a single strawberry. But with this new system, it takes this much, a 30% saving, significant in a future with a potentially much drier climate. The technology has come a long way since experiments began here around a decade ago. Farmers have now begun to install the system, among them Marion Regan, who this year supplied Wimbledon with more than 30 tonnes of strawberries.
This system helps us monitor how the plant is feeling. So the plant actually tells us how much water it needs. And that means that we have much more of the plant's energy going into producing fruit and much more quality, better quality fruit for our customers.
Today the system was officially opened by the Farming Minister as a special demonstration unit. It all comes at an uncertain time for fruit growers as the government is considering restricting how much water they can use during dry periods.
Water is scarce and it's a problem, and we're looking at the moment at non-legislative ways to try to improve the situation. So in principle, trickle irrigation systems like you see here are absolutely the way to go, provided we can make sure that they're being used effectively.
The scientists are now looking into giving other crops the same treatment. Yvette Austin, BBC South East Today, East Malling.